this guide, I'm going to show you how you could free up disk space on a Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7 PC or laptop using a few simple built-in tools. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by selecting the search bar down at the very bottom and go ahead and type in run just like so and then hit enter. It's going to bring up this page. It looks like this. Go ahead and type in prefetch and then hit OK. And then from here, it's going to pop up with a page that says you don't have permission. Go ahead and select continue and then it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. From here, go ahead and just hit Control A to select everything in here and then just go ahead and delete it all. If some files can't be deleted, check do this for all current items and then hit skip. That is completely normal. After doing that, go ahead and open up run again and it's going to take you to this page again. And this time you're going to want to go ahead and type in temp and hit OK and do the exact same thing. Go ahead and select Control A, hit delete and skip any files that are in use. Now what we're going to do is do this one more time, essentially this time do run. And then this time, instead of doing just temp, we're going to do %temp %, and then go ahead and hit OK. And it's once again going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select everything using Control A and then go ahead and delete it and skip anything that it won't remove. Now go back to your search bar. This time type in defragment and optimize drives and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and open it and select it your main drive. From here, go ahead and select optimize if needed. This can improve performance, but it may take a while depending on your storage. But that is it. That is how you could free up disk space here in your Windows PC, no matter what Windows device you're on. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.